Today I'm reviewing the Miele Blizzard CX1 Cat and Dog Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, which is Miele's first bagless vacuum cleaner with Vortex technology. It's arrived within the specified time from AO.com. On opening the box you will find the product neatly packaged. In the box you will find the main body, the hose, Miele Cat and Dog head, the Miele Ecotech Plus head, the extension tube, and the Miele SRD head and the handle. The upholstery tools are stored on the main body of the vacuum. There is a crevice tool and an upholstery tool which I used on the stairs as it was easy to use. Assembling the vacuum cleaner is quick and simple. Firstly, click one end of the hose into the main body. Then attach the handle. Click the extension tube onto the handle. Then select your desired head and then twist until you hear the click. It is now ready for use. The Miele Cat and Dog head pivots for easy use. The slider on the top allows you to adjust the suction power. On the base are two wheels and a sturdy bristles for collecting cat and dog hair, dust and debris. The Miele Ecotech Plus can be used on both carpets and hard floor. The Miele SRD head is designed to be used on floors with grooves such as tiles and floorboards. You can see its size in comparison to the other head. If you remove the extension tube from the handle, you will find a small brush with softer bristles for use on soft furnishings. On the main body is the power button and cord rewind button. Beneath this is the rotary selector. The settings are suitable for curtains and fabric, cut pile carpets and rugs, loop pile carpets and rugs and hard flooring. The self-cleaning button will light up yellow when the fine dust filter needs cleaning. For this demonstration I've used the Miele Cat and Dog head. You can see how easily it glides over the carpet. Manoeuvring the head is simple. The suction is extremely powerful yet very quiet. I would say it's half as loud as my previous vacuum cleaner. Since using this vacuum cleaner my carpets have been noticeably cleaner and I can really see the difference. Emptying the vacuum is extremely easy. You simply pull on the handle and then squeeze this yellow button. The rubbish drops out of the bottom, no more getting dusty when emptying the vacuum. Click it back into place after emptying. Another great feature is the cord rewind button. After use, unplug the power cable and press the comfort button. The cord will automatically retract. I would highly recommend the Miele Blizzard CX1 Cat and Dog Vacuum Cleaner over other brands and models, as it is easy to use, lightweight, easy to empty and clean, but above all, the suction power is like no other vacuum. My house feels and looks cleaner. I honestly have no negatives about this appliance. Thank you, AO.com.